So this is just a little update on the Odies oil finish, which I did a review on some time ago. I said I'd come back, tell you how I got on with it over the long term, and to be honest, everything I said in that video holds up and I've been very happy with it. This is the latest thing I've just done. It's a stand for this little piece of antiquity. Now the only thing I've found long term with it is that when it's cold, it's extremely viscous, and I did find that during the summer when the workshop's really warm, it was reasonably okay to get on and to wipe off, although a little bit viscous. Well, you can imagine during the winter it's been really thick and virtually impossible to wipe on and wipe off as you'd like to. But I heard from somebody who recommended it to me in the first place that warming it up before use is certainly a good way to go. So I've tried that, and it certainly is. It restores its liquid state, makes it much easier to put on and much easier to get the excess off. So I can certainly say to you, if you want to try a different finish, then try this Odies oil. I like it. I think I said before, one of the things I really do like about it is, in the past I've gone with tung oil, thought that gave a lovely finish and lasted well and good protection. This does all of that as far as I can tell, but instead of smelling like tung oil, which isn't particularly pleasant to take inside the house, this one has a citrus flavour or citrus smell to it, which is much more pleasant.